Yo, what is going on, guys? Today in this video we're going to be using the blur feature on YouTube Creator Studio. I'm going to show you guys how to blur faces, license plates, anything you ever could wish to blur. So first things first, you're going to have a video that's fully uploaded. Got this video that I just fully uploaded, tossed it in my privates. You're going to go up here to edit, you're going to go over to enhancements. It's going to be the second one over on that little top bar. It has to be fully uploaded to have this unlocked. It won't be on there if it's not fully uploaded. And there's an update coming on August 22nd that's going to get rid of a few features, but the blur feature is still going to be here. You're going to see the third option on the right is going to be the blur feature. Once you click on the blur feature, it's going to give you two options. It's going to be like, do you want to do custom blurring, which is great for license plates and anything else you want to blur. But the other option is blur faces, which makes it very simple. Just blur face. We're going to be going with the blur, like an image or anything, just a specific area. This is great for license plates. So when you're working with this, it's going to pop up this little window, and you're going to be able to draw a box around whatever you want to blur. You can choose to unlock it and lock it. As you can see, there's lock down there. Lock will follow whatever you put it around. Say you put it around a license plate, it will follow it throughout the area you have. So you have that little bar. It's going to follow my face throughout this entire thing because it is locked. If it's not locked, you're just going to stay in the little area. You just put it on there, and you can tweak whatever you want it to be on there. Say you can make it really long, really short. But yeah, it works great for license plates. Lock's going to follow you. But see, once it passed the bar, it's going to go right back to unblurred out. So first things first, if you're going to do faces, I'd definitely recommend to do the face one and not try to do the custom blurring. That's basically for license plates and other simple things. When you go to blur faces, it's going to pop up this. It's going to process your video, and then on the left side, it's going to pop up all the faces throughout your video that's picked out. It's going to have some little funny like little screenshots on there. You can blur any face in there. You just got to click on them. It's going to have a little check mark by it, like, hey man, it's blurred. Like, I'm going to blur myself because I'm throughout this video often, and wherever your face is, you're going to be blurred out. So this is great. You can blur anyone throughout your videos, and it's on YouTube. Another thing, you don't have to download any plugins or go through any tedious process. It's very simple. So that's basically it. You can just blur every face on there. It's going to go throughout the entire video. You'll catch me blurred out. Might be a few times where I might go back and forth, but hope you guys enjoyed this video, how to blur anything on throughout YouTube videos, faces and license plates specifically because they're blurred the most often. But if you have any questions, you can just toss it down in the comments section below, and I'll be happy to reply to them. Once again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to throw a sub down there, maybe a like, it's greatly appreciated. If you heard the water in this video, by a little waterfall type thing going on out there. But I'll catch you guys later.